Hey guys, this is just another video on comparing some software. This time it's Windows Live Messenger alternatives. Why would I want to do this? Well, basically there are many other clients available which are a lot less resource intensive and much more customizable than the main client. And if you see what I mean, when I go to sign in on a test account, I've just got one bot added here, which is just going to be used to test when basically I talk to them. As you can see, there's a lot of extra crap that's loaded that you really don't need. All this advertisements, there's advertisements even on the client, there's a toolbar here, you just really don't need this stuff. So if we have a look at some other ones to see if we can make this more interesting. If we look into the task manager and have a look at how much RAM it's using, you can see it's using 59 megabytes of RAM at the moment, so that's quite a bit for such a simple client. Anyway, we'll be going through AMSN, Pidgin and Miranda, and I'll give you a warning on the Windows Live installer. With AMSN, these are all clean installs, haven't modified them in any way. We're at version 0.97 on AMSN. Do a full install. AMSN, I believe, stands for Alvaro Messenger. Press finish here. It leaves a nice little icon here. Looks exactly like Windows Live Messenger. I think the aim here is to look as much like Windows Live Messenger as possible. So if we sign in on my test account, straight away there is a box that's popped up saying that there's no updates available for this client, which is strange because I've only just downloaded it, but as you do, it's good to see they're updating their different things, so I suppose in a way that's a good thing. Straight as we sign in, it looks a lot like MSN. We've got a display picture here, name here, nothing really at the bottom, just showing you the connection. Well, when you connect it looks like must be a log, I think. Double click that. Talk to Smarter Child again. If we say hey. Fairly instantaneous. We've got quite a few buttons here. We've got from left to right. We've got change the font. They've got their own emoticon set. Voice clips, which I believe was introduced in MSN Messenger 7, I think. They've got winks here, but you need to download them. Nudges, inviting people, sending files, and this has webcam support, so you can actually send your webcam, which is good really for this client. If I just go back again, say hello again, so then we can see the resource that it's using. Now with AMSN, it doesn't have AMSN.exe as a process for when you want to end the program. What they've actually got here is it's called Wish. I'm not sure why, but it is. So that's using 37 megabytes of RAM at the moment. So if we close this and close this, it seems to be about half of what MSN was using. Windows Live Messenger was using. If we go on to Pidgin, Pidgin I believe used to be called Game. It needs the generic toolkit, I believe. There seems to be a lot of protocols that it can use. AOL Instant Messenger, MSN Instant Messenger, MySpace Instant Messenger, and Yahoo Instant Messenger. So we don't want these. We just want MSN for the time being. It's got spell checking as well, so that's quite good. Okay, if we install this, do I want to reinstall the generic toolkit? No. Yeah, Pidgin seems to be quite popular with quite a few people, so there are several YouTube videos I think on customizing it. If we run this now, yes, Pidgin's on 2.3.1. So it's I've previously signed into this, so it's asking me for my password for my test account. History plugin requires login, so you can actually log your chats using this client. And you see, straight away we're in. It's very, very lightweight. There's not much here. It shows you the status here. I think this is for your picture. If we just talk to Smarter Child, you can see the mouse over. It says if he has me, but he's a bot, so he won't have me on his contact list. And I haven't blocked him, so that's good. doesn't show the display picture in the contact list. So we just talked to SmarterChild. You notice in this box it's very, very lightweight. All you've got here is smileys. Insert, what can you insert? A link horizontal rule, and you can change your font. So yeah, there's not much here. So if we say hello or hello, you can see it's got sounds enabled. So that's basically all you see. It's time stamped. I see you can show them or take them off if you want to. You've got a choice of new instant message, find, view log, save as, clear scroll back, send file, add buddy pounce, which I assume is a nudge or something like that. Oh, okay, that seems to be some sort of notification when people sign in. Buddy pounce, let's see. Okay then, yeah, so that's basically Pidgin. Pidgin's using 26 megabytes of RAM. All these clients are free, by the way, so they're all downloadable. I'll provide I'll provide some links in the description. Okay, as I've closed this, it says that it's encountered a problem and needs to close. So if you get the same as me, then well, hopefully I'm not the only one. But that doesn't seem to be a problem. It doesn't seem to be a problem. So. Miranda IM. As long as it doesn't do that during a conversation, I'll be happy. I agree. Miranda IM. Wow, there's a lot of protocols here. AOL, Gadu, some of these I haven't even heard of. ICQ, IRC, Jabber, MSN, and Yahoo. We don't want any but MSN or the import plugin. We just have desktop shortcut. Install. Wow, that was quick. Yeah, so I think Miranda is known for being very lightweight. This is showing a personal message which you can have in your MSN client. It looks like it's got a load of it's added a few extra ones, but hey. SmarterChild at hotmail.com. You can see his display picture here. It looks like there's absolutely nothing else, so I assume a lot of this is very, very customizable. You can add your own extra stuff in. There's hardly any buttons. There's just user menu, view users details, and view users history. So an extremely lightweight client. I haven't seen anything as lightweight as this. So let's see how much it's using. It must not be using 10 meg. That is very, very small. Yeah, that's if I go into the options, quickly show you the options. There is so many different things you can do on this. That's the top on this thing. You can change practically every colour you see. Contact list background, list text. So many different fonts. Status bar. I won't even go into each one because there's so many. There's just no point. But yeah, as you can see, this is comparing this to the main Windows Live Messenger box. It's a lot more tidy and a lot less resource intensive, which in turn will speed your computer up, so that's good. I've noticed that when you type, if I type something quickly and close the box with you replied too quickly. Try again, shall we? If I type it and close the box, it doesn't actually pop up when someone said it to. What it does is it flashes in the corner. So you double click that and then it opens up what they've said, which is different from main MSN because that just pops up in your taskbar whether you like it or not. Yeah, there's no ads here, as you can see. It's just got my contacts here in a very, very small box. It's taken up about a quarter of my screen here. So yeah, that's Miranda IM. Before I finish the video, just warning you on Windows Live Installer, because when you go to install the official one, when it responds, respond. There you go. Windows Live Messenger. If we go on to Windows Live Messenger, what the Microsoft company seem to like to do is get you to install some extra stuff when you want it. So best thing to do is just untick everything, so don't collect any information about you. Just click install. What we'll do is download this and accept it, and untick anything that's here basically. So just make sure they don't steal your identity. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please comment and rate. If you like them, I'll keep doing more. Let me know if you want me to review any more. Thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe. Thanks a lot.